मैं पूछ रहा था कि गिवन अ सिचुएशन, अगर आप कोई गेम में हो एंड यू थिंकिंग ये शायद मैं हार जाऊं, और दिस माइट गो एल्सवेयर, तो तभी एट दैट मोमेंट आपके दिमाग में क्या चलता है, एंड व्हाट इमोशंस यू गो थ्रू एंड हाउ डू यू टैकल देम, यू कैन एडवाइस द किड्स एंड पेरेंट्स वाचिंग द वीडियो, क्या क्या होता है, हाउ इज द फीलिंग?
Actually, there is one very interesting story. I mean, when my parents used to take me for tournaments when I was kid, under 9, under 11, under 13 nationals, states, nationals, they used to come with me. And when my friends used to come out of the tournament hall, they used to tell my parents that, yeah, Abhishek is having a bad position or he's materially down. And that time my parents used to get a bit of confidence that, yeah, he will win that game, or he would win that game basically. So the thing was, whenever I was in a bad position, or whenever I was in a materially down position, uh, it has always, I mean, it has happened with me many times that I have I've overcome that situations, and I had managed to win so many games like that. So my parents had a kind of a belief that whenever I'm in a bad position, or whenever I have a material down position, I will end up on a winning side. So
Oh,
uh, basically in such cases, whenever you have bad position or a materially down position, uh, there is no fear of losing because you have lost that match, right? So whatever you can do is the prolong the match and try to create the threats. The risk is for my opponent because he has already a winning position, and the task is, the onus is on him to convert that into a win. So if I create lots of tricks, if I create lots of threats, and if he goes something wrong, then I have always chance. So basically, whenever I get losing position or lost position, uh, I just try to create lots of threats, and basically I'm very much relaxed because I know that I have lost my game. I need to analyze, I have done something wrong. So now there is no point getting upset over the board. The best thing is you can create more threats, you can create more challenges for your opponent to make it very difficult for him to convert.
right.
So I mean, the kids should learn it whenever they are in bad position or losing position. They should not think about the result, but they should create, or they should make it very challenging for the opponent to convert that winning position.
Right, right, right.